Install any app on Samsung Tizen TV via laptop 2026. Yes, you heard it right. Your Samsung Smart TV is hiding a secret door, a door that lets you install apps that Samsung never put in their store. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open it, using nothing but your laptop and your TV's own settings. This method is working in 2026, first time ever shown on YouTube, and it works on almost any Samsung Tizen TV newer than 2017. No tech skills needed, just follow every step exactly, and by the end of part 1, your TV and laptop will be fully connected and ready to go. Okay, grab your remote. We are starting right here on the apps screen. You are going to scroll down. Just keep going past all your installed apps until you see app settings at the bottom. Most people have never ever noticed this option. That's where everything begins. Press OK on app settings. Now inside here, scroll down a little bit. You are looking for the lock option. Found it? Perfect. But here's what makes this step interesting. You are not actually going to lock anything. Now press the number keys from your remote. And press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from your remote. Then select Done. Samsung hid this behind a pin screen because they didn't want most users to find it. But now you know. There it is, Developer Mode. This is Samsung's own built-in developer screen. And right now, you are going to use it in a way Samsung never advertised. You will see a toggle here. Go ahead and switch it on. This is the bridge between your TV and your laptop. Now you need to enter the IP address of your laptop, not your router, your laptop's local IP. You can find it by opening command prompt on Windows and typing ipconfig. Look for the IPv4 address. It usually starts with 192. Enter each part of that address into the 4 fields you see on screen, one number at a time. Hit OK. You will see a confirmation message. Developer mode on. Connection established. Now this is the step that 90% of people miss and then wonder why it doesn't work. You have to press and hold the power button on your remote for 2 seconds to restart your TV. Don't just turn it off. Hold it. Let the TV restart fully. This locks the IP connection in place and activates the developer bridge. That's it. Your TV and laptop are now connected. So that's part 1 done. Your Samsung Tizen TV is now in developer mode and fully linked to your laptop. But here's the thing. This connection alone means nothing unless you know what to do next. In part 2, I'm going to show you exactly how to push any app directly onto this TV. Apps that are not in Samsung store, apps that Samsung doesn't even know you are installing. You do not want to miss that. If this worked for you, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe plus the bell icon, because part 2 drops very soon and you cannot afford to miss it. Every notification matters. Every subscriber helps this channel keep bringing you stuff like this. I will see you in the part 2.